Okay, Mike, this is Hayden. Hey, Hayden.
Hi, so I believe that the filter housing on the inside, it's a two-part system, the actual cartridge, and then there's a secondary piece that the cartridge sits in. I believe that the secondary piece was replaced wrong last time the filter was cleaned. So it's either rotated about 180 degrees or it's just not in there properly. I wasn't able to get that piece out, so that's why I told Mike that the filter housing would probably need to be replaced. There's a return hole about 2 inches on the bottom of that piece that should sit in another piece about the same size, so that when the water is sent to the filter, it hits the cartridge pores, then goes back down through the center. So if you're able to get that out, you can put it back in, and it shouldn't be super snug. It should just kind of sit on there, and then you should be able to put the lid back on. And it should easily be pulled out and put back in.
Okay, so right now the filter's not working.
Yes, theoretically the water's being pushed back through the filter and not working.
Right.
And actually, when I pulled the filter cartridge out, you can see that the very bottom of it, where most of the filtration actually happens, is completely clean because the dirt that would be going in there is going down through the bottom.
Okay,
Yeah.
and then it gets pushed back in the pool.
Yep, and that's why you've got pileups in the spa.
Okay, all right.
Okay?
Okay, all right. Thank you very much.
Yes, of
Nice
course.
to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.